pajamas, we could see them. We're going around again. Turkey, turkey. Who's going turkey, turkey? Show me your ticket. Have your train ticket? Yep. Good job. Hold on tight. Are we coming back to the station and getting ready to stop? Where's Grandpa Chuck? Hey, Grandpa Chuck. Hey, Grandpa Chuck, are you up there? He stuck the train.
That was a fun ride.